Hello everyone, welcome to my creative writing channel. My name is Sharik, and in this video I will be giving you some tips that will assist you greatly in enhancing your writing skills. Writing is an art that enables you to communicate effectively and have your say. It gives you opportunity to have your voice reached to your readers. Now here are some tips to start writing with creativity. Read. First and foremost is to read and read a lot. Why? Because it increases command over language and exposes you to the thoughts and ideas of others. It gives you diverse perspective about any topic. Observe. Why? Observation is key to adding minute level details. Adding personal observation increases interest and engages readers. Good observation complements good writing. Visualize. Using visualization, you can add new and peculiar writing dimensions to an otherwise ordinary situation. Visualization makes your writing unique. Make an outline. This step is very important. It ensures that all important points are covered and are covered in proper order. A simple one-liner about each paragraph helps greatly. Create draft. First copy is usually a rough sketch. It contains errors and mistakes, but it forms the basis of final copy, so it must be given due importance. Write and rewrite. Edit and review for mistakes. Make corrections regarding grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Break extraordinarily long sentences into manageable, readable ones. Create final version. Once you are satisfied, make a final copy and lock it to avoid any accidental editing or changes. Hope you have been able to grab something useful out of this video. In my next video, I will be giving you some wonderful tips about reading and how to become a good reader. Thank you.